So back to our site design project. I'll zoom in and get it to a good view where I can define my boundary to export. Now here, exporting to an IMX format is the best within InfraWorks 360 and Civil 3D. So after choosing that option, you'll get this window here where you can define it by a box or a polygon. And there you can choose your coordinate system as well and the location of where you want to export this file to. So here I'm defining the boundary using a polygon, just picking my points and then double clicking. I've ran through this process before, and so I'm just going to choose the same name as my previous file just for ease of demonstration. And I'll get the replace message, and that's fine. And so it creates the IMX file that I can easily take into Civil 3D. And so there it is right there sitting on my desktop. However, there is another option that I want to show, which is exporting the 3D model. So using this option, the format is an FBX file. Or you can choose other different formats if you need to. But this is the export to 3D model window. You can either do the entire model or pick a specific area, such as using a box or a polygon similar to the IMX export. Again, I'll define my boundary. And there's more options here at the bottom. You can merge objects or export the materials and textures. But I'll uncheck those just to give you a really basic model into Civil 3D. Again, picking the location of the file, you have the ability to do that. And so I'll just use my desktop and give it the same name or something similar. And hit export. Okay, and that fast, I have my FBX file, or my 3D model file. And you can see here it's sitting on my desktop. There it is right there. So now within Civil 3D, starting a new drawing, you can quickly import the IMX file. Go to your Insert tab, and then Import IMX to give you your surface, your alignments, and all of your Civil 3D objects. However, let me show you what the 3D model looks like. So choosing the Import option off of your ribbon, I'll use my FBX format because that's what my 3D model is in. You browse to my desktop, select my file that we exported from InfraWorks 360. And these are just options for importing. And I'm just going to say OK just for the demonstration here. And do a zoom extents, and there's our 3D model. Now the model comes in kind of 3D faces here. So it's not a surface, but you can easily create a surface out of that. But just to give you an idea of what the model looks like, I'll zoom in. And you can see here it does bring in all of the textures and objects within the boundary that I selected. And right now it's in a wireframe display. Now I'll zoom in, and just to give you an idea of a different view, I'll change that to a conceptual view. And you can see my models in Civil 3D now.